We are in room 4657 here at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. In the room, a nice little table, chairs, mirror. Our Disney television was turned on for us, playing this nice Disney music. You can see me in the mirror back there. We have a king bedroom. So this is our king bed here, and it is a connecting room. So there's a connecting door, a nightstand. I did notice this coat hook here, which I thought was nice. I don't remember that from before. With one window. Nice light. Plenty of drawer space here in the dressers. So that's good. The remote has been sanitized. We've got some USB plugs, regular plugs. I believe this is going to be the fridge. Yes. A nice see-through fridge. Instant coffee, disposable cups. Nice bench here to put your luggage on. We have two sliding barn doors to close off the bathroom and the sink area. New shower curtain. I don't remember that shower curtain before. It's very bright. Original tub and shower, of course. Double sink. We have the in-room safe. Iron and ironing board. So the room here at the Caribbean Beach is really nice. We reserved a king room, so that cuts down on the extra bed that would be in here, the two queens. So we have a lot more space. But these rooms are really in need of some refurb. First of all, the carpet has to go. I'm sorry. Coronado doesn't have carpet anymore. Pop Century doesn't have carpet anymore. You know, it's just, we stayed here 10 years ago for our Disneymoon, and the rooms are exactly the same. Minus maybe a bigger television and the USB plugs. We're in the same building. We're in a great location. We're in building 46 Jamaica, which is right by the Skyliner, right by the lobby, the pool. Great location, but just needs some love, man. These rooms aren't cheap, and there's nicer rooms out there. Pop Century, Coronado. Now you're not on the Skyliner at Coronado, but Pop Century you are. So definitely think about that, because these rooms are really dated. Come on, Disney. Show Caribbean Beach some love. We love this resort. We love the theming. We love the pool here. We really like staying here, but dang, Pop Century's got nicer rooms than this. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below. A sliding barn door. Ooh, well,